But don't forget, as a corporation, your job as a corporation, okay, your job is for profit, right? For corporation, your main purpose is to pursue the maximum profit. For who? Not for the charitable, for your shareholder, for shareholder. So that's the reason why the tax law prohibit or minimize or discourage your donation. You can donate more if you really want to, but for tax reason, you can only deduct not more than 10% of your taxable income. So there's another difference.
Taxable income.
Yeah, here.
Not AGI.
There is no AGI for corporation, by the way, for everybody. AGI is only the term for individual. Okay, AGI means after adjusted gross income. That's on your page 1 of the 1040. Yes.
I know some company want you to donate to certain organization. Company will be matched. This also belongs to the 10%.
Yes, it's still under the 10%. Yes, it's a matching fund, right? So for big company, if is individual employee do any kind of charitable donation and the corporate what match, sometimes the double match, sometimes. But doesn't matter how much the corporation subject to that 10% limitation. Okay, yeah. Okay, the next one is very important. Page 382. We talk about this. This is a very, very important idea. It's called NOL. NOL, net operating losses. And the one the IRS really hated, okay? Because the NOL for corporation, for business, it may carry over it forever. Okay. NOL means the net loss. Net loss is very, very similar like the negative number on the individual Schedule C. So if for any individual person and filed Schedule C and it incurred the negative number, and that number will be reported on the page 1, on the page 1 of 1040. And that number will offset any other positive income. And if that number create the negative income and the number become the net operating loss, it can be carried over for the next in the future. So that number is very, very bad for the IRS, but it's very good for the business. Can anybody tell me how can the business organization be survive if it keep on produce NOL? And it's very popular in the Silicon Valley. In Silicon Valley, for any startup company, for the first 5 years, even 10 years, always see the NOL. So how can the company survive? How?
Invest.
Yeah, investor. If this company can provide very good business proposal, doesn't matter how many years it lose money and the new money is coming. The new investment company is coming, right? Joint venture coming, venture capital coming, that kind of thing. So again, there is no any limitation of the year, as long as your company can provide, the true number and justification. How can you get the money? How can you survive? If this company keep on produce the negative number every year, and as long as the company can provide the legitimate number to prove it. All right. Okay, let's see it here. Okay, 1120. What's 1120, everybody? What's 1120?